Today I'm going to show you how to download free movies from torrent. Go to uTorrent slash download. Download. Click on this. After that, while something like this will open, already downloaded. Click on this. Click on this, and you know the basic steps to install it. And go to type cat.ph. So whatever movie you want, type here. Movie given Robocop. I'll download that. It's a DVD rip. Click on this, download torrent. So something like this is open when you click your uTorrent application. Click OK. Within 2 to 3 hours it will be downloaded. Thanks for watching. So I already downloaded that movie. This is Sri Lanka Tutorials. Thanks for watching. Again, bye. We'll be back with more videos.